In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account without phone number. If you're new to this channel, please go down below and hit the subscribe button. Once you've subscribed, please go ahead and leave a like on this video as well. I really do appreciate it, guys. Thank you guys for that. Now let's get right into the video, guys. Now first thing you need to do is to go to your phone settings so that you clear cache of your Gmail app. So we just go right to settings. Then once you are in settings, you need to scroll down and tap on apps. Then tap on apps again. Then search for Gmail. Then tap on it. Then go to storage. Now let us give it time for it to finish to compute. Then once it has done, tap on clear cache. Now once you've done that, you need to close this one. Then go to Google Play Store. Then tap on search. Then on the search for Gmail. Then tap on it. Then ensure your Gmail is up to date. Now once you've confirmed that your Gmail is up to date, then you need to close this one. Then go and open your Gmail app. Then once you are here, you need to tap on your profile icon on your top right corner. Then you need to scroll down. Then you are going to see at the bottom there, add another account. Tap on it. Then tap on Google. Then you need to enter your password. Then once you are here, now because you need to create your Gmail account without phone number, tap on create account. Then for my personal use. Then enter your first name. Then your surname is optional, so if you like you can enter. If you don't like, you can just leave it that way. So once you've done that, tap on next. Then enter your birthday and gender. So I'm going to enter any random birthday, but ensure that your birthday is above 18 years old. If you enter your birthday below 18 years old, then your account will not be created. So enter your birthday above 18 years old. So I'm just going to enter any random birthday here. Then enter your gender. You can enter male. Then tap on next. Then now you need to enter your email address. So I'm going to key in that. Now once you've entered that, then tap on next. So now here you need to create a strong password. So I'm going to do that. Then tap on next. Then this is your Gmail here, so you need to confirm. Once you confirm, tap on next. So make sure that you read all this privacy and terms. Then you scroll down and tap on I agree. The Gmail account has been created, guys. Now if you come back and you tap on your profile icon on your top right corner, then if you scroll down, you are going to see your Gmail account right there. So I'm just going to tap on it. Then as you can see, this is the Gmail account that I've created. And please use your phone to create this Gmail account. Don't use your computer. If you use your computer, they are going to ask for your phone number. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.